Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where this green line annotation is coming from. And that's pretty much what everything is revolving around at this point in time. Quick recap from yesterday's video. The reason we're so interested in this $1.25, $1.26 mark, whatever you want to call it, is because if the price falls below here, or worse yet, separates to the downside, at that point in time, that is literally putting the price right back to this range where it's already been. And not to insult your intelligence, but prices going back to where they were isn't exactly a sign of bullishness, right? Again, not trying to insult your intelligence, but just trying to explain why this level is so important. So far, it's done a fantastic job. You can see the price held there, the price held there, and then once again late this afternoon, the price is held once again. But $1.26, definitely a very important level of support and very much in play. Yesterday wasn't so much in play. I mean, the price had closed up here, but then this morning the price ultimately pulled back. To give credit again, to give credit where credit's due, there we go. Yeah, the price pulled back today, but the bulls did do a good job of holding above that level of support. But from the quote-unquote storybook perspective, you certainly want to see that continue to happen going forward, because if it doesn't hold above there, then again, that puts the price right back in the previous ranges where it already was, and that's just simply not a good thing to see, assuming you're bullish. Now, in the event the price does fall below there, I do want to map out this point down here at $1, we'll call it 17. You can see a few days ago, bears tried numerous times, pretty much right in a row to push down through there, but bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong there. But if $1.25 can't hold, then $1.17, it would not be shocking to see the price go down there and at least test that. But so far, so good. The price is holding above $1.25. So you don't want to get too far ahead of yourselves. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, short-term level right here at the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Long-term level of resistance, as I talked about in yesterday's video, that pink line up there, which is the 200-period simple moving average. But in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance at this point in time, not a huge concern. Top priority, whatever you want to call it. Maintaining levels of support, especially this $1.26 level. But the bulls are doing a very good job fighting. The bears are trying hard, but the bulls have been fighting them off, so we'll see if they can continue to do that going forward or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.